This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ram Almogue. Investor-friendly condo, looking for a cash buyer. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths split floor plan condo unit in an all-ages gated community. Ceramic tile floors. Walk-in closet, screened-in patio plus storage. Washer/dryer and central air conditioner. CONDO'S financials are excellent with additional reserves. Unit can be rented 2x per year. Quick approval, professionally managed by an on-site management company. Gated community, monthly maintenance covers, water, cable, high-speed internet, pest control, on-site management, security guard, insurance for building structure, roof and common areas. Community amenities includes gym/fitness room, clubhouse, 2 swimming pools, hot tub, tennis courts, basketball, picnic/barbecue and car wash areas. For more information, review the details below.